Do you know that your Upwork portfolio contributes greatly to how your profile is being ranked on Upwork? If you're trying to stand out on Upwork and land better paying clients, your portfolio isn't just a gallery, it's your sales pitch. I say this all the time. In this video, I'm going to show you how to properly upload a video portfolio on Upwork with SEO keywords, the right positioning, descriptions, and skills so clients can actually find you and hire you. So let's dive into the video. Prepare your Upwork portfolio video with search engine optimization in mind. And this starts from naming the video file even before you upload it. You see how the video is on your computer? Before you upload it to Upwork as a video portfolio, name it with a tool or skill keywords. For example, if you're uploading a video on monday.com, you should name your video monday.com or the full title that you're going to use with the keyword streamlining monday.com, the niche you worked on. Name the video properly before you upload it to Upwork. Stop naming your video finalvideo.mp4. What is final video? That's not a name. Why this matters is because Upwork's backend and Google both crawls file name off the internet. Use searchable phrases to name your videos like monday.com dashboard for real estate or Airtable automation for e-commerce. You come to your Upwork profile, you go to your portfolio section, you click on the plus. You have different options to upload an image, to link a video or to upload a video, to add a text, to add a web link, add a PDF, or even an audio file. These are the various ways, but for today, we are going to be using to link a video or upload it. It's an upload. So if you look at this sample portfolio I have here, you can see that the name of my video here is carrying the name of the project I worked on. So before I uploaded it on Upwork, I made sure to name my video on my laptop streamlining shortlet apartment management in Monday, right? Then I came here, the project title, I made sure to write demo so that whoever sees this knows that this is a demo I'm working on, showing that I'm streamlining shortlet apartment management in monday.com. Keywords here are monday.com, shortlet apartment, and streamlining. Then what was my role? Monday.com workflow specialist. Now you can see that the video has keywords of Monday, shortlet apartment management, and streamlining, same as the project title. And it also has Monday.com and workflow in my role aspects. Then if you go to the project, you can see that I've mentioned Monday.com here, mentioned keywords in Monday.com, dashboard, the short-term rental business, I mentioned it again, mentioned the things I worked on, mentioned the key things I worked on. Now I mentioned what the client's challenge was, and I mentioned what I was able to do. I organized the data in monday.com. I kept mentioning monday.com at every point in time. So even when I was listing what I did, I had mentioned monday.com like twice in the list of things I had done. Then if you go down, because there are no much characters to add, I said this way the client is able to have everything in one space and track his business, saving him time. So I was still able to mention how many hours of time was saved. I've exhausted my character because normally if I had not exhaust my character, I can add a call to action for prospective clients to see. Then I added my skill. You have the room to add up to 5 skill. Make sure to use relevant skill. There's no monday.com in the skill, at least not yet, so I didn't add it. But I know that monday.com is a CRM tool and it was a CRM automation, and I did an automation, right? That's why I have these 2 skills here. And I've been having back-to-back Monday jobs that are both long-term and short-term because of this portfolio I have here. So you can go next and preview and add a thumbnail.
you could maybe make a thumbnail or allow the system to pick from your video, to pick maybe a page from your video to use as a thumbnail. For me, I did not add any thumbnail. I was okay with the preview it took from the video to use for my thumbnail. And when you're okay, you click save, and there you have it. If you also come to the home page where my portfolio is, you can see that when you come to my profile, you can still see the monday.com. Like, I make sure that my portfolios are named with keywords of industry, tools I used, and what I built, so that it helps the client see what I'm working on, and also helps those in that field or in that industry when searching to be able to find me and I rank.
Before uploading your video portfolio on Upwork, make sure your video follows this structure. Number one, quick hook could be 5 seconds. Number two, problem solution result structure. Number three, visuals and voiceover. Number four, add subtle branding like mentioning your name in the video. I have created 2-part videos on how to create a video portfolio on my channel. It will be linked somewhere up in this channel for you to click and go and watch a proper way to create a video portfolio. Most freelancers upload their video portfolio on Upwork with no context. And that is why I am listing all of these, because they matter. With all these, clients are most likely to view your work, understand the value you bring, and send an invite or direct message to you. This is how you move from just any freelancer to a client's obvious choice. If you found this video very helpful, don't just watch, like, and move. Go and implement it. You either go and upload an optimized Upwork video portfolio today, or you go back and re-edit your past video Upwork portfolios. If you loved this video, please drop a comment and like, so that the algorithm pushes the video to more people to find us. And it also helps us know that we should keep creating relevant content like this. Also helps YouTube know that this content was great, and it shows more people that are interested in it. I'll see you in my next video.